Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Monzo. First, open your Revolut app and log in. At the bottom of the screen, tap Payments. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new recipient. Next, choose Card Recipient. If you're sending money to your own Monzo account, enter your Monzo card number, then tap Save Securely. If you're sending to someone else's Monzo account, enter their full name, card number, and email address if needed. Once the recipient is added, go back to your recipient list, select their name, and tap Send. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details, and tap Confirm. Your money will be transferred from your Revolut balance to the Monzo card instantly or within a few minutes. And that's it! You've successfully transferred money from Revolut to Monzo. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.